found a boy I could love. Maybe I found a few. Even with best intention, they never follow through. If he could take my heart now, he'd put it right in her chest, thinking he'd have a girl he finally could love best. And I'm gonna be fine, fine, fine. I'm gonna be brilliant. This year is gonna be better. And you're gonna say, this year, gonna be stronger and a braver me. This year, and I'm gonna make it, 'cause I said I would. Do all the things you said I never could. This year, this year. I may not be perfection, I never claimed to be. Maybe if I was thin or beautiful classically, all of the things I carry and all of the things I know that I will be loved no matter where I go.